Good morning, anyone? Is it visible? Comments me who are present. Okay, Megha, very good morning. Megha, yes sir, okay. Or anyone? Please share this video to all your friends. Please share. Share this video. Megha, share this video. Done sir, okay, thank you. Okay, I'll start. Okay, the question is मैं discussion करते हैं. The next question is tan inverse 1 plus x square root over of 1 plus x square plus root over of 1 minus x square and divided by 1 plus x square root over of 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square is here. Okay, any doubt? This is y and we have to find dy by dx. Okay, we have to find dy by dx. Then let x square equal cos theta. Okay, then theta equal cos inverse x square. If x square equal cos theta, then theta equal cos inverse x square. Now y becomes tan inverse 1 plus cos theta root over of 1 plus cos theta plus root over of 1 minus cos theta and whole divided by 1 root over of 1 plus cos theta and minus root over of 1 minus cos theta. Okay, any doubt? Here we replace x square by cos theta. Okay, only use this cursor in the place of x square. Now this 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus, in the place of cos theta we can write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Okay, cos theta, here cos theta. Okay, now this cos theta can be written to cos square theta by 2 minus 1 and also this cos theta is written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, here we use 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 in the place of cos theta and again plus 1 minus and here cos theta equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 then root over and the whole divided by 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 and here also 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay. Any doubt? Again, any doubt? Now this becomes tan inverse 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin square theta by 2 and divided by also here 2 cos square theta by 2 root over and minus root over of 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, this one is cancelled, all ones are cancelled. Okay, all ones are cancelled. Then tan inverse root 2 cos theta by 2 plus root 2 sin theta by 2 and divided by root 2 cos theta by 2 minus root 2 sin theta by 2. Okay, any doubt? Here cos square theta root over cos square theta equal cos theta by 2. Okay, root over of cos square theta by 2 equal cos theta by 2. Similarly, sin root over of sin square theta by 2 equals sin theta by 2. Okay, then here we take root 2 as common. Now this can be done tan inverse root 2 cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 and divided by root 2 cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay, then root 2 is cancelled. Here only tan inverse cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay, is it visible? Clearly visible होची? Clearly visible होता? Now we divide cos theta by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Okay, then this becomes tan inverse cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2 and whole divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, here we divide cos theta by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Any doubt? Then now this becomes tan inverse cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 and whole divided by cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, any doubt? Then this becomes tan inverse then this becomes 1 plus tan theta by 2 and divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Okay. Now this becomes tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi, the value of tan pi by 4, this is equal to 1. Okay. Hence we use this tan pi by 4 in the place of 1, and here tan theta by 2 and 1 minus tan pi by 4 and tan theta by 2. Okay. The value of tan pi by 4 equal to 1. 1 in tan theta by 2. This is equal to tan theta by 2. Okay. Any doubt? Now this is now y becomes tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. Now here only pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Y becomes pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Now here we use y equal pi by 4 equal theta. Theta means cos inverse x square and divided by 2. Okay. Theta means cos inverse x square. Then dy by dx equal d by dx of pi by 4 plus cos inverse x square divided by 2. Okay. Any doubt? Now this pi by 4 is constant, then derivative pi by 4 equals 0, and here half cos inverse x square by 2. This half is constant. Now derivative cos inverse x square, this is minus 1 by 1 minus x to the power 4 and root over, and derivative of x square is here. Okay. Now this is minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x to the power 4, and this is 2x. Derivative of x square equal to 2x. Now these 2 is cancelled. Here only minus x by root over 1 minus x to the power 4. Okay. Any doubt? Now the next question is x square cos inverse x square minus 1 root over of root x minus 1 and divided by root x plus 1 plus x square cosec inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1. Okay. This is y, and we have to find dy by dx. Now here we take x square is common. Now this becomes x square cos inverse root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 and cos cosec inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1. Any doubt? Okay. Then this becomes x square is here. Now cos inverse root x minus 1 root x plus 1 is here. This cosec inverse x root x plus 1 by root x minus 1 becomes sine inverse root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Okay. Here cosec inverse x. Suppose we have cosec inverse x, and this can be written sine inverse 1 by x. Okay. If cosec inverse x, then we can write sine inverse 1 by x. Similarly, here cosec inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1, and also we can write this term as sine inverse. This is sine inverse root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Megan, any doubt? Now we have if sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, this is because this is equal pi by 2. If we have sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, this is equal pi by 2. Okay, now we can write here x square into pi by 2. Okay, now dy by dx equal d by dx of pi by 2x square. Okay, pi by 2x square. Now this becomes pi by 2 is here, and derivative of x square, that is equal 2x. Okay, now this is 2 is cancelled, only pi x. Any doubt? Sir, cosec केमिति sin हला? We have a formula that is sin, if sin inverse x, then this can be written cosec inverse 1 by x. Okay, जदि हम पाखरे sin inverse x अछि तब हमें कोन करबा cosec जे कन्वर्ट करे पय पड़िबो, then this is consider कोन हिजबो cosec inverse 1 by x हिजबो. एनी डाउट? निघर बुझियला? जदि हम पाखरे sin inverse x अछि तो सेटो हमें कोन लिखि हबो cosec inverse 1 by x लिखि हबो. से भली एठी हमको देछि cosec inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1. सेटा को जदि हम कोन करबा sin inverse कन्वर्ट करबा, देन हम लिखि परबा sin inverse root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. ओके, देखो cosec inverse रे root x plus 1 by root x minus 1, सेटा को हम sin inverse लिखे हले sin inverse root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 लिखे पड़ियो. बुझियला? एनी डाउट? Then also here also a formula. Suppose we have cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, this is equal pi by 2. If we have sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, this is equal pi by 2. Okay, here also this is cos inverse x, and here sin inverse x, this is pi by 2. Okay, any doubt? Okay, any doubt? Nigar? No sir. Okay, sir, last row, second line. Okay, okay, suppose cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, this is equal pi by 2. Okay, now this x square is here, and here pi by 2. This is pi x square by 2. This is equal here pi by 2 is constant. Then derivative of x square equal 2x. Okay, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Only pi x is here. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Okay. Clear, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next question is tan inverse x by 1 plus root over of 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. Okay. Now this is why let x equal cos theta. Okay, x equal cos theta, then cos theta equal, then theta equal cos inverse x. Okay, any doubt? Let x equal cos theta and theta equal cos inverse x. Now this y becomes tan inverse tan inverse x means cos theta and divided by 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, then root over. Now tan inverse is here, then this cos theta can be written cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 and divided by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, 1 plus root over 1 minus cos square theta equals sin theta. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Now this y becomes tan inverse cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 and divided by this one can be written cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Okay, this one can be written cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Hence we can write cos square 1 equal cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Here plus sin theta by 2. Here plus sin theta. This is can be written 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, any doubt? Okay, now this becomes tan inverse cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 and also cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, here we use x square minus b square. This is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now and divided by here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. This is a plus the square of a plus b. This is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 the square of cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, then this cos theta by 2 plus sin theta is cancelled with this cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, now this becomes only tan inverse cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, any doubt? Now we divide cos theta by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Okay, this becomes tan inverse cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2 and whole divided by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, okay, now this becomes tan inverse cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 and whole divided by cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Okay, Now this becomes tan inverse 1 minus tan theta by 2 and divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Okay. Also here we can use tan pi by 4. Okay, in the place of 1. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2 and divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. Okay, then this is tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2. Okay, now this becomes only pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay. Now y equal pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Now this pi by 4 minus theta. Theta means cos inverse x. Cos inverse x by 2. Okay. Cos inverse x by 2. Now this becomes, now we get dy by dx. This is d by dx of pi by 4 minus cos inverse x by 2. Okay, then derivative of pi by 4, this is equal 0 because this is a constant. Okay, then minus half is here minus this 2, this half is here, then derivative of cos inverse x, this is minus 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. Okay, then this becomes 1 by 2 root over of 1 minus x square, and this is the answer. Okay, any doubt? Now tan inverse x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha. Okay, tan inverse x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha. Now this is y, and now dy by dx equal d by dx of tan inverse x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha. Okay, then this becomes 1 by 1 plus x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha, then whole square. Okay. 1 plus whole square, the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha, and the derivative of x sin alpha by 1 minus x cos alpha, this is equal, this is in the form of a u by v. Okay, u by v. Now second derivative of first minus first derivative of second. Okay, and divided by the square of x 1 minus x cos alpha. Okay, now this becomes 1 by the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha plus x square sin square alpha and divided by the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha, and here 1 minus x cos alpha is here, then here derivative of x sin alpha, this sin alpha is constant, so only here sin alpha. Okay, then minus x sin alpha and derivative of 1 minus x cos alpha, also here cos alpha is constant, then only minus cos alpha, then here plus, we can write here plus, and this is cos alpha and divided by 1 whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha. Okay, now we can write here 1 whole square of 1 minus cos alpha and divided by, this is 1 minus the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha, this becomes 1 plus 2x cos alpha plus, sorry, minus here x square cos square alpha plus x square sin square alpha, x square sin square alpha. Now here if we take sin alpha as constant, now this becomes 1 minus x cos alpha and here plus x cos alpha and divided by 1 minus x cos alpha to the power 2. Okay, then this one, the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha, and here also the whole square of 1 minus x cos alpha is cancelled, and here also minus x cos alpha and plus x cos alpha is cancelled. Now it becomes only sin alpha into 1, this is only sin alpha, and divided by here 1 minus 2 cos alpha, 1 minus 2 x cos alpha, and if we here take x square as common, then this becomes sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Okay, now this is sin alpha by 1 minus 2x cos alpha, here only x square. Okay, now this is the answer of this question. Okay, now I stop this video. Okay, thank you for watching.